Hello, students. This is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about the verb to be, but not in the present, in the past. So was and were are the forms of the verb to be in the past. Firstly, let's review about the verb to be in the present. So that's the positive conjugation. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. It is used for objects, things, and animals, names of companies, etc., etc. We and they. The verb to be in the present or in the past, it's used for introducing people, like I am Stephen here, I am teacher Bruno. It's used for age, job, nationality. We are from Brazil. Feelings, but in the present. Scared, she's very tired. It's also used for colors, prices, weather, and many other uses. So now that we have covered the uses of the verb to be in the present, let's take a look at it in the past. So the past form of verb to be, I was. In everyday English, the pronunciation was, was. I was playing a game last night. This is past continuous. Remember present continuous? We are studying English right now. So past continuous. We were in the past studying English. We were. In everyday English, we say what? We were playing, we were studying. That's the short form. Negative wasn't and weren't. We weren't playing games last night. We were not. If you want to make the emphasis, like a huge emphasis on the action, use the long form. We were not playing games last night. We were studying. Well, positive and negative. For questions, just like the verb to be in the present, we need to change the order. Were you? Were you studying? Tell me the truth. Were you studying last night? Were you, were we, were they? Was I? Was he? Was she? Was it? Connecting the sounds. And of course, for short answers, yes, I was. No, I wasn't. So we have to use the same subject on the question and the answer. So this is the verb to be in the past. Let's take a look at some more examples. I was at home yesterday. You were late at the meeting. So let's repeat. You were late at the meeting. There's no positive short form. Tom was tired, but Susan wasn't. And that's pretty much it for verb to be in the past. I am happy right now. I was in the past. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.